Kobe oh.
Can you touch it?
Pwede ba siya lumabas? Nangagat to?
Can you pet it? Can you pet it? No. I think... I just... Kulit mo talaga.
Ayan na. Wala. Ito na, ayan, lagot ka. Wala, lagot. Ayan na.
Oh my God. Oh, funny.
Ano yung ano?
Oh my goodness! These are chill.
Pwede sakit?
Hindi po. 24 months old po. Capybara in the flesh.
I'm gonna feed
Kasi ano yun, tutukay mo. Ang ganda. Tanggalin mo yun.
Yay!
Yay!
Eyes in here, eyes in here. One, smile, kuya. Smile, kuya.
I don't know what this guy, but I feel like he's doing something to my hair.
Yeah.
Padumaw. Ayoko, Pio. The white one is standing. Okay, sir. Sige po.
Bear cat I've ever seen in my whole life. Sure, I've seen other bear cats, but this is
It's daddy, no? This is the male.
which one is bigger?
Ah! Yay! Oh, ganda oh. Ako yung CR dito. Sige. So yun guys, quick trip lang tayo sa Tagaytay. Samantalahin na natin ngayong malamig yung panahon. So pupunta kami sa People's Park in the Sky, tapos sa Windmill Luzon, and Yoki's Farm. Ito guys, hindi ko alam na maganda pala dito. Akala ko kasi maliit lang yung Yoki's Farm kasi walang ang mga lion or wildcats. Pero malaki pala siya. And ang dami niyang exotic animals na dito niya lang makikita sa Yoki's Farm. And then after ng Yoki, magla-lunch tayo sa isang Italian restaurant. Masarap daw kasi yung authentic Italian pizza nila doon.
Mag-ride na tayo sir, talo kayo na po.
Ha?
Pwede na po pasyalan.
Ay, Ate Kobe.
I want to taco.
Itaho, yung itaho.
I don't know, but I think you can get plain sick.
Sir Arnie ba lang gusto?
Para kayo dyan, tao, strawberry over ko na.
Yan. Tap. Sabay na tayo, baby. Yung kami apat kanina. Sabay, ticket na tayo. Dito nga tayo.
I'm so scared because it's raining and I might slip. If you fall, you could slip. If I only slip, I will like if you fall down. There's a kid running here. I got to go down.
You don't remember this, Cobra?
Yeah, I still remember. I remember when we went here with Lola.
And Lola.
Ate Kobe thought you were fighting with him.
Lolo?
Look, remember? That time? Bro, what?
Hmm?
Don't know, Lola. We don't know.
5 meters uphill.
200 meters. We're going to the sun. The sunrise is scary, not so scary. Actually, no, it's not. It's scary. Nice to meet you. It's I'm ready for a fast pizza. What's this? I don't know, but I think I like it. It's okay. I just feel so perfect. I think that's look at cushy buttons.
Underestimating mommy. Sorry, wait. Wait nga, baby.
Kami na nakapak ng tayo sa Pilipinas.
Oh, they're so scared.
Ay, nakalis din natawa ko kay Marta. Talagang may ano eh, dinim. Natapa.
Dad, we're going to the Chinese temple.
There's no Chinese temple here.
What?
There's no Chinese temple here.
That's weird.
Hmm? Excuse me.
Gawin mo. Set ka ng fan.
Oh, ayan. Brian! Hi, Brian. Hi, Cobra. Kobe, Brian.
Oh, it's gonna be a good then and now.
Hoy.
Stay.
Kobe, Brian. Look at the camera. Wow, biggie na. Sikat yan.
I thought we were gonna go in the pizza place for lunch.
It's not at lunch, it's just 8 a.m.
Kind of. Lunch is 8 a.m.
Bro, Jollibee is cool! Jollibee is cool!
Sabi ah. What's that?
He has very kinky hot eyes. I knew that's weird, Joey.
Dito tayo kumain dati. This is where we eat before, Dirijo. But don't really like it.
Go try natin dito.
Ay, wala.
Sit in a very dirty chair. Abby Kobe, where my jacket?
Wala ata, baby. Sarado pa.
Anong wala?
Wala dun eh.
So yun guys, mali pala ako. Bukas naman pala siya kasi kanina walang tao so nalito ako. Masyado lang pala kami maaga. So pumunta lang kami dito para mag-breakfast kasi sobrang lapit lang neto sa Sky Palace. Siguro less than 10 minutes lang nandito na kayo. And umorder lang kami dito ng mga chocolate drinks nila kasi masarap dito yung chocolate butterroll eh. Pag nagsawa na kayo sa Starbucks, pwede nyong itry dito. Although hindi ko masasabi kung sino yung mas masarap sa kanilang dalawa.
6, 7. No,
Sige pa.
maybe 6. I made the 6, 7.
Oh, you mix pa again. Mix like this. Sige pa again, Brian.
Fresh meat.
You're a what? Mangkehepweng?
What?
Mangkehepweng. Nice.
So this farm po is a 10 hectare line expand po, but for now 4 pa lang po yung active po. Okay, so
Okay.
since we have an animal encounter nga po, so we will have a chance po to feed and touch animals po. So what are those po? So in touching po, so we
Touching
have
animals.
capybara, we have ostrich, yes po.
Coffee bara daw, coffee bara.
Coffee bara. And yung ano ma'am, yung alpaca po is, it depends ma'am no. We have 7 months old baby alpaca
Yun
po.
na, recent.
So yun po si Queen Eye, minsan nilalabas po siya, so pwede po nating hawakan.
Mhm.
Pero pag wala naman po is for viewing lang yung mga alpaca
Okay.
po. And yung feeding, So we have rabbits, tortoise.
Wait lang, di ba yung alpaca ng Dodora
So
yan?
yes, sir.
Pwede paduroan. Ng
Yung
itong bata.
pagka hindi na po sila komportable sa mga nakapaligid.
Okay.
And what else po? So we have bird po and yung amin po tortoise, rabbit, tapos po yung mga zebras po.
Okay,
Okay.
zebra. Yung zebra nahawakan?
Yes po. So,
Talaga? Mabait yung zebra nyo?
meron po. Yes, we have two zebra po. Names Marty and Harley. So
Oh.
they're both girl or female na. So yung pwede po mahawakan din si Marty.
Okay.
Yung isa namin. Okay, so we can...
Sino yun ang Dodora? Papa. Hawakan mo, Brian.
So maybe our first station po is yung rabbit
Yeah.
house po. So let's
Rabbit
go.
house.
Yes po.
Here we go.
So ito po yung ating minimum po ng ating lalakad.
Okay.
So ayan. That's 4 hectare. 4 hectares.
Skibidi top 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 sis. Tortoise.
Kobe. Ito pwedeng touch to? Pag nahawakan pwede. Pag nagpawak sa'yo.
Pag nagpahawak sa'yo pwede. Wala po na pa kanya siya.
These are so beautiful.
I miss grabbing the rabbits.
My rabbit is the best, Kobe. It's like a dog.
It's like a dog.
Yeah. It
Remember
greets
a
me.
rabbit who got
It's like a mix of dog and cat.
Ano yung rabbit natin?
Oo, ang bait nun eh.
Remember he died because of his sickness. Can you count?
Oh, it's sadness.
Sadness.
Ay, touch it, Kobe.
My favorite one is the black because he doesn't run away.
Wag ganito ako
He
dati.
doesn't shrink.
Para siyang yung ugali niya parang pinaghalong aso tsaka pusa.
Okay.
Malambing na parang pusa pero yung ugali niya yung asong pag dumating ka, sumasalubong tapos parang talon ng talon sa'yo.
May ganyan po. Nasa sa'yo?
Namatay. Nagtampo nung hindi ko siya napakawalan ng ilang araw dahil umuulan.
Ilang ano din siya? Matagal din sa inyo?
Ang laki ganyan-ganyan. Ang laki ng mukha nun.
Ito siya yung mga kittens to eh. Mga baby pa po.
Ah, baby.
Kittens po or baby rabbits po.
Ah, talaga.
Kasi yung parents nila. Nagawa. Kadumaw. Ayoko, Pio. The white one is standing. Ito.
Kayo sir. Sir, kayo po. The parakeet and that's something weird. Oh, that one, the big one. Look at the big one. Huh? Ah, yes, we have hawks here.
What's your question, Kobe? Kobe, what's your question about the bird? Kobe, what's your question?
Just if we can hold our
So we can do like, say with that one. That's what they do. Like, you can try the bird on your shoulder, like the black one. And also those birds. Yes, only the small bird apple.
Cobra, yari ka pag may monkey eating eagle.
So yun guys, ito pala yung maganda sa Yoki's Farm kasi may tour guide na siyang kasama. Tapos yung tour guide namin, magaling siya and mabait sa mga bata. And yung rates pala ng Yoki's Farm, nasa around 300 to 400. And syempre, mas mura siya kapag kids.
The brown one, no?
Queen Eye.
Queen Eye is 11 months old. Baby alpaca, yes po. Also, they keep, aside from spitting, they keep also. Ay, yung nandun po ma'am, kaya po nakabukod yun, yung mag-black na kayong white, is nag-mate sila ma'am.
alpaca llama.
Kobe
Llama is
Bryant,
like
oh,
their
they're
family.
meeting. The ones
They're,
there.
they're both family of
separated.
cameras.
They playing Roblox there. Cover.
We can pet the capybara, feed the turtle.
And also, this national bird of Uganda.
Look, there's also turtle. Dad, there's turtle. Dad, there's turtle.
Yeah, yeah, it's a turtle. That's a red ear. red ear slicer.
Ang tawag.
You can put on their head. Then she had baby capybara po. Or she has baby capybara.
These are chill.
Pwede sakit.
Hindi po. Then yung 4 months old po.
Capybara in the
I'm
flesh.
gonna feed him. Wait.
In fact,
Anak
yun
ko,
po ng balahibo nila mama sir. Para po
Hey, I'm feeding. Hey, Ate Kobe, make sure
Itsura nga.
they're not standing on top of each other. Look at that. Why? What will happen? That means they're secretly holding
po semi-aquatic animals po ma'am sir.
Pero mammals pa din
holding
sila.
a gun? Because they're on top of each other.
Lemongrass ba itong kinakain nila?
Ay, ano po yan? May grass po. Ano lang po, parang type ko ng talahi.
I can't believe
Hindi to, mabait talaga to?
Yes po.
Ba't nasuplado yung isa doon?
Louis, smell bad!
Ano yan? Bata po po siya.
Yes. Close, look, close.
Kobe oh.
Can you touch it?
Pwede ba siya lumabas? Nangagat to.
Can you pet it? Can you pet it? I think.
Ito mo. Uy, wag Kobe, don't do that, Kobe.
Scary.
Don't challenge animals. They don't know jokes.
Okay. What is that?
You're creepy eh. You're creepy eh. Kasi.
You're very creepy. I don't even want to see you anymore.
Ang ganda. Gusto ko mahawakan yung nasa taas ng ulo.
Sige, waka mo dali, pwede yan. Hindi, pwede yan. Hindi ka open eh.
You look so mad.
Try natin.
What's she so
Abay,
mad at? Mommy, why is she so mad? Why is she
Because he
so
saw
mad
you.
at?
You're so ano daw.
Ayun na. Isip ka daw.
Ito na, yan, lagot ka. Wala, lagot. Ayan.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Baby, chill ka lang. Oh, kababa, ano yung
Oh my goodness!
Nabahan ako.
Kasi yung ano eh.
Nakaligot lang ako na ano ba ako.
Sa balikat niya sir.
Ha? Pwede tong ano? I mean, pwede siya, pwedeng idikit yung camera.
Pwede pa. Huwag lang masyado sir kasi ano yung tutukain.
Ang ganda.
Itong dalawang parrot pala na to guys, itong black na to, nagko-cost siya ng 700 to 800,000 pesos each. Ang mahal, grabe.
Oh!
Wait lang, Kobe. Pa-picture lang ako, Kobe. Wait ha.
Hello kuya.
You can eat the sunflower seeds.
Why, are you gonna eat it?
So, don't vlog this.
What? Look at me. That.
I in here, okay?
Oh, dapat kuya Rodriguez na.
Picture din. Yay!
Yay.
Eyes in here, eyes in here. One, please, smile kuya. Smile kuya.
Kobe, ikaw rin dali so you can show someone.
Oh, eyes in here, eyes in here.
Yay!
This guy.
It's just an animal. How will you go to the paradise? If you ano, oh, yan na,
Ano
di
po?
ba?
Stand straight lang po.
Stand straight.
Straight.
Yun, smile.
Body, and then eyes in here. Face, so remove your body po. Move your
Be
body.
scared. Don't be scared.
Smile, Kobe. Smile.
Okay.
Sige, picture mo.
Spider-Man, do this.
Yan, move like that.
Okay.
Are you scared?
Kobe, no. Wait lang muna, Cobra. Let ate muna.
It's right in your hair. Bro! I want this guy. I want that guy.
We don't know if he's friendly. Tornal sila?
Sir, yes sir, para silang owl.
Okay. Di ba meron na tayo?
Gutom ako ah. Pag nagutom ko mamaya, pagtapos ng tomato, meron tayo.
You.
May time limit ba? Loose. Nakakita din tayo ng applause.
Ang bango mo.
Ang bango niya.
Ang bango talaga ng bear. Paborito ko talaga to.
Mabawang daga. Ano pala to?
Yes, daga palatsi. Masyado siyang
So, it's considered a rodent?
Ano this year? Maganda siya.
rodent talaga sila, hindi considered.
So endemic po yan sa atin sa Pilipinas.
Tikoy.
Ingat na po sa mga kamay niyo.
Mga,
Pero ako siya naman Pilipino, hindi ako po sa stress.
mga agad sa pag-stress
Stress
o
po. Hindi po.
nakakalabot?
Bukod sa nangangagat siya ma'am, nangangalabot din sila. Tsaka parang nag-ano sila eh. May sound sila ma'am na pag ano sila.
Nalaman mo.
Parang nagwa-warn naman yung animal kapag ayaw nila sa'yo.
Kaya it depends sa atin. If they're stressed, yes, they're aggressive po. But they're not, if they're not stressed, they're nice like that.
You observe it, oh. So big. Parang ito pinakamalaking bear cat na nakita.
They're trained.
This is the most big bear cat I've ever seen in my whole life. Sure, I've seen other bear cats, but this is
Like the daddy, oh.
Yes, it's the male.
which one is bigger?
Males. Always male. Not always, because in theory, the female is bigger than
Ang bango-bango. Amoy, anong amoy mo? Pandan?
parang
Vanilla?
sila. Just like buttered popcorn and panda. Panda po. Wala po kaming panda kaya. Sorry. Si Kuya Rodel na lang papanggap na panda ko.
Those snails are short. Male.
This is so funny,
Is this
perfect.
one female?
Ano sa isa na one?
Talaga nag-show, oh.
Yabang mo naman.
Whoa!
Nag-show siya, oh.
Sabit po yung sa taas.
Ay, ang ano, ang ano niya?
Spider-Man!
Tawag dito?
Spider-Man.
Ang ano ng sense na yun, pag ano ba ng buntot. Alam niya kagad hinawakan mo siya.
Ayaw nila yun.
Obviously, hindi sila...
The oldest tortoise po here, so there is 45. 45 years old.
45, young pa yun.
Ganda naman ang bag ni Kobe.
Here ah.
Oy, Kobe,
Kami.
be gentle, Brian.
Move backward.
Pagdating kayo niyan. Putol pa kamay niyan yan.
Move backward daw.
Whoa!
Ang galing.
I remember finding a big finding the big tortoise, and I think I want to fish a dragon. I forgot.
Where?
Yeah, remember in the
I
zoo when
think
we're
in the,
still 5?
wait, saan nga ba yun?
When I'm 4 and you're 5.
Yeah.
Next time po naman.
Ay, yung Tagaytay din yun. Dun sa ano.
Oo.
Yung may zipline.
Ay, gagi. Tik pa ako.
I forgot.
Sa ano po, yung may zipline pa dito po ba? Sa
Na-farm din. Dino Island ba yun? Dinosaur.
Oh, parang Dino Island dyan.
Dino Island.
Di Dino Island yun, pero Dino sabi.
Picnic Grove, may zipline dito din.
Ay, hindi pa kami nakapunta doon.
Maganda din po yung view doon, parang nakakawala po ng stress. Kasi
Nahahawakan yan yung ulo na ito.
ito yung view ng Taal po.
Pwede
Pwede
ho-
po yan, opo.
Di ba mga agat yan?
Hindi po yan, kagaya
You,
ng snap.
you are
Sige po,
big!
Tsaka
move
dapat-
backward po yan. Move backward, move backward pa po.
Backwards!
Mo backward, so he follows
May
you.
isa pa dun, oh. Sabi niya, ano ginagawa?
Kobe, ayun oh, yun po, isa oh.
Hindi niya ako binibigyan.
So, ito po si Abel, yan ang po si D. Like single
Ito.
nila.
Akala ko siya kain.
Uy, ako rin, sabi niya. Bakit siya lang?
Abel and D. D lang po. D, yes po. Short term for disabled po. May disability po siya.
Ano yan?
Yung paa po niya is wala pong mga kuko compare sa ating
Ay, oo nga, no.
Can I sit
Walang kuko daw yung paa niya.
lahat po ng paa niya wala pong kuko.
Bakit nga?
Inborn po.
Ah, kawawa naman.
How old is she?
43 kuya. 43.
Magkapatid ba sila?
Hindi po.
Pwede mong kausapin to sa buhay, Cobra.
Look at
Makapayo ka.
its legs. It doesn't have the nails there like him. Like he has.
Yes.
How about
For
that
ano,
45.
I don't know.
45.
ano pangalan nito?
Si D.
4D.
Si D and si Abel.
Pero love na love ka naman eh.
Why does she have no claws?
Yeah, it's his disability. He's disabled.
crocodile.
Who's this, Kobe?
Alexander?
Alexander. Galing ni Kobe, ah. I don't know if it's Alexander. Let's... Ay, balok, oh. White turtle.
This is the leopard tortoise, I believe.
This, ano? Turtle... Leopard turtle. Albino.
Can I make a wish?
Yeah.
Can you some money?
I don't have money. Ito yung Antique Museum. Ito si Baal.
Halo naman.
This is
Grabe, oh. Ganda. Oh.
Yes, for sure.
Pero halong ivory daw. Ito jade, totoong jade to? Eh di ang mahal na ito.
Seriously.
Grabe.
this is an
Sino may-ari na ito?
Hindi ko nga curious, halo. Ito po ay, ang farm plate is
Cobra.
corporation. Filipino-owned corporation.
Ah, okay.
Ano sir?
Bakit?
What's your his cousin?
Ate Kobe. Si Ate Kobe sama.
Second cousin.
Ate Kobe sama. Ate Kobe sama.
so cute. I want that.
Ate Kobe sama.
I want him.
So cute. So cute. Can I touch it, ano? Pwede hawakan to?
Nakagat yung sir.
Easy boy. Ha? Uy, nakakagat daw yan.
So, ito po, we need to hold it tight lang sir pag nagpakain tayo sir ng zebra kasi kakagatin nila sir, kasi hilahin nila.
Okay.
Okay? Okay na po.
Sabi.
Is she friendly? That's what he said.
Wait, oh, yung ganun ko.
Hold it tight, hold it tight. Here. Yeah, you need to hold it tight ha. Look, how did it all?
Like this, oh.
You're gonna pull it. Yes. Ma'am, ito po sa inyo ma'am. Ma'am?
Easy boy.
From me. Get away from me.
Oh, you can touch them. No, because they're ano po, eat and go. So if you don't have grass, they will go away.
This one's still making me.
Easy boy.
Don't beat me. Not easy. Fast?
Yes, like, different from how they horse is kicking from like the back. So in the ostrich, they kick in front po. So we're not
Ah,
allowed
okay.
to stay
Para
at the
silang
front.
kangaroo.
Yes.
Kangaroo,
And on the
kangaroo.
zebras po, so we're not allowed to stay at the back po. No?
Mhm.
They like
Tignan mo kaya 'di ba yung pumoporma sila nung sa ano tayo?
so you can go ahead and look.
Sa Sinagtala.
Hawak na po tayo ng ostrich na.
It's alright, Cobra.
Go ahead. Pwede na po siya hawakan. Kaya?
Paano?
Sige po, hawakan niyo na po siya ng back niya po. Ganyan lang yan, sir.
Ang galing ah. Parang ang weird tong mga ostrich. Parang nag-e-error sila eh.
He's so cute.
Yeah, try it. Copy. Sige na, I'm gonna.
I'll try it.
Can you get this feather?
Kobe, don't get too comfortable. Be cautious but ano, touch them.
Yes, power pop.
Sige, dali. Touch it.
Hi, Blossom!
You want to eat your own feathers? What's he trying to
Say,
say?
I'm not happy to see you guys.
Shut up.
Sige po, ayan, habang press na po kayo sa may side po niya.
Doon ka sa...
Bigyan mo na yung cellphone, baby.
Ay.
Place sila ng eggs.
Ang ostrich po, nag-lay sila ng 2 types po ng egg bomb. Meron pong fertilized and non-fertilized egg po.
Yun yung piniluluto?
Po, yung non-fertilized ito yung kinakain. So,
He's not yummy. Eat it.
Hindi yung kumakain ng ganyan yan. Makapagpapayan.
Tsaka naamoy na rin cobra ko
Oh,
kanina.
it's feathers.
Hello.
Yeah, it's pooping over. I know.
Boba fur.
It's pooping.
It's a boba fur.
Ganda naman. Fleece. Fleece. Di ba ito fleece ang tawag dito sa ano?
You look like llama, but you're a goat.
So Marty is different from Hardy because Marty is, you can pet Marty while eating or while feeding. But Hardy, if we have food or without food, we're still not allowed to touch. Hardy is a friend.
What? We can go inside the capybara and then
Baby, ay Kobe, ito nagpapahawak ko. Kobe.
Ay, dumi, baby! Ano po kayo ng water? Water.
Yes po. Ano po yan? Vitamins.
I thought that's their
Ano to? Aggressive ba to since may baby sila? Hindi.
Yun sir yung nagiging reason sir bakit natin kailangan sila ihiwalay is because pwede sila sir ma-stress. Yes, pwede nilang kainin sir yung anak nila pag sila pwede.
Ang laki oh. Taba.
so fat.
Pork chop.
It's a girl.
Crispy bacon.
Sisig and si bacon.
No, this one is crispy bacon.
Ano po, sobrang kapal ko ng fats nila. Makapal po yung fats nila.
Ito, kasawari.
Kasawari bird po, considered po as one of the most dangerous bird in the world.
Kaso, worry.
Ah, ito yung ano, parang nakakatakot yung tunog na ito, di ba? Parang,
Sobrang lakas sir.
oo.
So ang kasawari bird po, considered
This-
po as modern living dinosaur and also considered as one of the most dangerous bird in the world. Yes.
Ito, considered as the most dangerous bird in the world. Parang may ano to eh.
Also in prehistoric era of dinosaur.
May tunog tong nakakatakot itong bird na to.
Yeah.
How did you even catch that?
Paano patunogin to na nakakatakot na sound niya?
Sa Shumil and ano, kaso, worry.
Sir?
Paano patunogin to yung nakakatakot na sound?
Yung ano yun sir, random na eh. Bigla-bigla siya
Don't look at me. Dad!
Trigger.
So, how po sila naging most dangerous bird is because of their big talons po or their claws.
This is ostrich.
Ayun na nakita mo.
They will hit you. It cause serious injury po or fatal. They can kill you by
So,
using
paano
their
ako
teeth.
mag-aalaga niyan?
Ito mga kailangan namin siyang
You're
lalaroin na.
exploded by the
Sample.
Kobe, stop doing that, Kobe.
Nag-beeper papapasok po sa kabila. Tapos open na po ng konti yung gate. Then, mabilis na po
I could
yung
become look.
Hmm?
I could become.
So, hindi nila kailangan 9-leg grooming. Self-groom lang.
Pwede ito pakainin?
bawal siya kumakanta.
They're
Kasi bawal siya lapitan.
Oh, parang sungay. And their neck po is mag-turn po into color blue po.
Ah.
Yellow po yan para mag-fade and magiging color blue.
Kasi ito parang full ano yung parang head niya ito.
Ako ba yun?
Hindi po, ano po yun yung pig. Nag-aaway si. Nag-aaway po si Sisig tsaka si pork chop.
Ah, okay. Walang pangan.
Ito po yung
Ah, ito yun,
drama
oh.
chicken. Or drama with pajama.
Nakakatawa yung maliit na ito eh. Yung maliit, mas nakakatawa yung maliit. Ayun oh. Pag tumatakbo yung maliit, mas nakakatawa.
You friendly? Daddy? Yes. Is it poisonous?
No, it's a group of non-venomous snakes po yan.
Usually, big snakes are not venomous. Smaller ones are the venomous one.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, ayun oh. Skill.
Can you hold the snake?
Kobe oh. Ito pwede hawakan to? Nangagat to kaya?
Pag may lesson, experts sila ng tawag ko yung
Ay, ito, Kobe, mga eagle, oh. Parang bald eagle, Kobe.
This is Brahminicate hawks or lawin.
Lawin. Ah, hawks is lawan nga pala, diba?
Tapos meron pa yung mga eagles mo. Mga white-bellied Indian. Separated sila. Gapin lang po. So, ito po yung ating white-bellied sea eagle or ito nga po yung mga nag-stay around coastal area.
Ang laki niya rin, oh.
Kaya po magkahiwalay.
Kobe, ang laki rin, oh. Diba? Ay no, ano, yamang.
Alpaca, opo. Another alpaca po.
Ato hindi to friendly.
Is it friendly?
Ayun, nakita daw po pala. Nasa entrance po.
Ha?
Nasa entrance po yung toy ni Kuya.
Ah, okay, sige.
Kunin ko na lang po.
Sige, mamaya pagbalik na lang natin.
Hindi po, para ano po. Baka po kasi mamaya kasi pagtapos po kasi, mababa na po ako sa mga.
Ano na to?
There's no lava.
Mama ba ito?
Mga, yes yung nandudura po.
Doodle Riot. Kobe.
Yan po si Labi. Babae naman po yung version, no?
Uy,
Mga Indonesian monkey po yan.
si Brian talaga kamukha na ito.
You're mean.
Kabay your mouth oh. That's ano,
Kaya po
talkative
ganyan yung
Brian.
bat niya because meron po siyang, ba't po silang klase ng pato?
Oo, ito yata yung parang nagmamigrate itong mga pato na to eh. Teka mo, alam ko Brian, this is migratory duck.
Ano po? Ano? Just here lang. Ayan po yung
Masarap kaya to.
Black is English
Ato ano to?
duck, sir. Black is English duck, sir. Sa Amerika po yan.
Ang ganda.
Meron po tayong pink duck and yung mandarin duck, sir. Nasa trap yung ating Philippine eagle owl and yung amin po mga Philippine hornbill or kalaw. Yan po, ito po yung kalaw po.
Ay, ang ganda naman ng kalaw. Parang ano, parang si Kuya Kim.
Yan po yung mga kamag-anakan po ng tukan and shubil. Tsaka ng
Yes.
Is there sugar?
Gusto mo na ito?
their relatives or their family of
Gusto mo. Nangingi yata ng ano,
Sir,
pagkain.
nabibait lang yan, sir. Pero nangagat po yan.
Is it
Oh.
friendly?
Ang ganda nito.
Mandarin duck po yan.
Ang ganda naman nito. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda nito. Mandarin duck. Sige.
Wait lang. Fetch! Like it.
He likes to play pala.
Fetch!
Ang galing. Ayan, oo, ha? Ang galing. Galing ni Bryant, ah. Ay. Ito to.
Eh, si Spunky po pala is rescue po yun, sir. Rescue lang po siya ng monkey, no?
Okay, saan siya galing?
Dito lang po yan bigla sumulpot sa farm.
Paano nga, ah? Brian, go back. Sige, doon ka, Brian.
Are there
Sige na. Sige na, go. Sino?
Si Spunky.
Si Spunky, ito, rescued na.
Monkey po.
Can I see? Okay.
Is there food here? Is there food here?
Love you. Kiss na, Brian. Ang laki ko, bro. Tignan mo, Brian, to sa taso. Ay, yabang, oh.
Crimson iguana. Crimson iguana. Rice? It's a for the movie. For the movie.
Ano? Food? Ano? Daw? Ano yun? Ano?
Mga food po, mga rice.
Ah, okay.
Rice meal.
Ah, okay. Akala ko pa nga yun.
On the food court dito.
It looks so cool.
Sige.
Last time na po, tapos kukunin ko yung...
So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Pizzeria Saleta sa Tagaytay. Medyo late na kami sa reservation namin dito. Hindi ko kasi talaga alam na magtatagal kami sa Yoki's Farm. Kasi kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, akala ko kasi maliit lang yun. So yun guys, masarap naman yung pizza dito and yung mga pasta nila. Yung pizza nila, para siyang yung nakikita nyo sa YouTube, yung crispy yung side ng dough. Pero hindi siya yung kagaya ng ibang nakain namin or yung ibang nakikita nyo na airy yung dough niya.
Yung ganun ko.
Bayit yung tirik na to. The one you did the other day, you like that.
Ang galing. Yung ganun ko, bro.
The what?
Ang galing. Tirik mata. Ito ko din dito lang. Yung tirik mata, yung white eyes. Banana. Sarap ko, be. Yay! Oh, ganda. Okay yung CR dito. Sige. Wait lang, Cobra.
Nabigyan ko na siya ngayon.
Wow.
Why is there no peparo?
How was it, Kobe? So good?
Pero it's spicy.
Mom, there's
Ang sarap ng burrata. Ito lang.